Here are multiple ways to remove WhatsApp messages for you or everyone. First, delete a specific message. For this, open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. Go to the chat or conversation where the message is located. Find the message you want to delete and tap and hold the message. A menu will appear on the screen. Tap on the delete option. Then select the trash can icon from the bottom left corner. You will now see two options. If you select Delete for Me, it removes the message only from your device. Other people in the chat can still see the message. Alternatively, if you select Delete for Everyone, it removes the message from both your chat and the recipient's chat. This option only works up to 60 hours of sending the message. Second, clear the entire chat. Open the WhatsApp conversation. Tap on the contact at the top. Scroll all the way down. And tap on Clear Chat. Then select Clear All Messages to confirm. This removes all messages inside the conversation but keeps the chat available. Now go back to the main chat screen. Tap and hold the chat. Bring the bottom menu up. Look below and tap on Delete Chat. Confirm by tapping Delete Chat again. This deletes the chat from the main chat list. Third, enable disappearing messages. Open a chat in WhatsApp. Tap on the contact name at the top. Scroll down just a bit. And select Disappearing Messages. Choose a timer between 24 hours, 7 days, and 90 days. Messages will automatically disappear after the selected time. And that's it.